this trade. Hey guys, good morning. It is magnificent, beautiful Thursday, July 18th. This was our cutie fruity trade on oil on 1 hour chart. This was our first target, decision point 1, Alpha Wave Trader proprietary Fibonacci level, and this was our magnificent, beautiful second target. Confirmation that if you know how to trade pure price, you can trade anything, and you never ever pay attention to any news, comments, any gossips, but simply pure price, because pure price does not care about oil. I'm adjusting my trail on this trade that's in profit currently. 100 ticks to 106.13, but this is very magnificent, beautiful, and amazing confirmation that Alpha Wave Trader method applies to any instrument at any time frame. So once you know how to trade the price, you can trade anything. So there we go, 100 ticks on oil. If you're trading 3 lots, you're completely out. If you're trading anything more than 5 lots, you still have 10 to 15% of your position left. So once again, it was very classic, very clear and simple trade. So oil still incredibly bullish, but due for pullback as shown very clearly. So I'm not touching oil currently because oil is at decision point 2, which is incredibly critical and powerful resistance level, but not as powerful as decision point 1, which is the end of the minor trend. Danger zone is the end of the major trend. That's what, based on current structure, oil is heading to. But I will be monitoring the pullback to see if there will be any trend reversal, which happens only about 15 to 20% of the time at this level. So it is incredibly small chance the trend will end here. 80% chance trend will migrate much further up. But this may be incredibly slow morning on oil. Price may be dancing between decision point 1 to decision point 2. Picture perfect reminder, trade only between the levels and never ever exercise greed. Make sure that decision point 1 remains your target if you're trading only single and double lot size, because minor trend and corrective structure is always present. Let's take a look and let's see how predictable is ES. Oh no, 3 days in a row ES is struggling to break through decision point 1. Anybody has anything to say? Please do now. Do you need anything else besides pure price? Pure price tells you very far in advance where this level will be. All of these levels had been drawn on July 10th. On July 10th, we knew where decision point 1 will be. Once again, picture perfect reminder that how essential and critical it is to respect this level. Based on per current structure, it's going to be quite a struggle, but it is incredibly high probability that ES will blast through this level and will migrate much further up. I will be monitoring this structure very carefully, as it is showing potential of migrating to 1691, 1700 and all the way into the danger zone levels. If you remember on our daily chart, ES is nowhere near danger zone levels, unlike NQ, and that is absolutely essential and critical to remember. This is what ES is struggling against. 1684.50 and 1700 and all the way up, as formula remains the same. 1684 is the level I will be monitoring for next. And yes, let's not ignore oil. Let's rehash oil daily chart. All the levels drawn on oil daily on June 7th. On June 7th, we knew that price will make it to decision point 1, 102 level. And what is oil showing you? Migrating to 108 and all the way to 111. NQ. Ta-da! Drastically different structures than ES. Incredibly comatose, incredibly unimpressive. Why? Oh, why? Once again, reminder, decision point 1 collapsed yesterday because NQ, unlike ES on daily chart, had reached trend exhaustion level. Once again, a reminder, if you are trading NQ, do not pay attention to anything else. This is why NQ is struggling immensely. NQ had reached ultimate brick wall, trend exhaustion level. Once again, structure drastically different than ES. So if you know how to trade ES, more than likely you had been long since pre-market. Right now I'm looking on ES, very, very powerful structure, as well as on NQ. So I will be monitoring for this correction to finish on NQ to see if I can take a trade in our lovely oil trade 100 ticks plus, taking simply a pause. I will be giving you an update on this trade on oil at the close of the day.